state of emergency has been declared in several regions of the United States, such as Florida, Georgia, the Carolinas, Virginia, and Alabama. This was done after Hurricane Helene struck land along Florida's Gulf Coast as a strong Category 4 hurricane with the potential to cause major natural disasters on Thursday, September 26, 2024. The National Hurricane Center in Miami said Hurricane Helene made landfall at around 11:10 p.m. near the mouth of the Ocilla River in the Big Bend area of Florida's Gulf Coast. Maximum wind speeds were estimated at 140 miles per hour, 225 kilometers per hour. Hurricane Helene brought heavy rains and caused flooding in Gulfport, Hendersonville, and the Pass-a-Grille area of Florida. Roads turned into rivers, and cars were left stranded and powerless in the floodwaters.
And you. No, it's over. I would make that point again.
Some areas of Florida had already felt the impact of damage before Hurricane Helene made landfall, with Fort Myers Beach, Tampa, and St. Petersburg experiencing storm surges up to 5 feet high. As of Thursday night, 346,000 customers experienced power outages in Florida, and more than 13,000 outages were also reported in the state of Georgia. School districts and several universities canceled classes. Airports in Tampa, Tallahassee, and Clearwater were closed. Damage from Hurricane Helene was also reported in Cedar Key. Officials have urged the public to comply with evacuation orders, warning that Hurricane Helene brings life-threatening severe weather.